So to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11, the process is quite easy and simple. Simply go and open up your Microsoft Edge browser or any other browser that you have on your Windows. And once here, simply go and search in for Chrome and hit enter. And here you can see the Chrome website, that is google.com/Chrome. So simply open that, and once here click on download Chrome, and in a few moments you are able to see that the setup is downloaded. In case if you are unable to find this, you can simply always go to your files and here go to downloads. You will be able to see the Chrome setup. Click on this one and it would open up the Chrome installation menu. Allow and click on yes. Within few more moments you will be able to see this dialog box that says on your marks, and in the process it would start downloading the Google Chrome. So it says 17 seconds, it's almost done. And once the download is complete, the installation process would take around 20 to 30 seconds more, and you'll be able to enjoy. It says download complete, please wait while the installer is verified. So it is now installing. And we are almost there. Just wait for a few more moments and we'll be done with the installation. Just wait a bit. Here we are. The installation is complete, and now you can see the Google Chrome is here. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.